Hi there, I'm Jules from thisstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, I've got a couple of tablespoons of oil in my pan and I'm going to get I'm cooking chard as my greens today. So I've just sliced the stems and I'm going to cook them just in this pot to get them cooked, because they take longer to cook than the leaves. So I'm just starting to get them in and covering them up and just give them a few minutes to soften down. So chard stems have had about, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes in there and they're still a little bit crunchy, but that's fine. I just wanted to give them a head start. And then I'm going to get my pork in, but you could use chicken, turkey, whatever ground meat you like, beef even. And then I'm just going to actually turn the heat up to high and we're just going to break that up. Okay, so pork's been cooking away there. I've been stir frying it with the lid off. It's not super brown because the liquid from the chard stems has kind of stopped preventing the browning process. It's more kind of stewing, but it's cooked through, so that's fine. And I'm going to get my sauces in. So I've got 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of water. So sauces, just really it's a sauce. And then I get my Sichuan peppercorns in. So we want 2 teaspoons of these. I'm using whole ones, which give you lovely little, like when you're eating this like amazing little tangy bursts of Sichuan-y goodness. So 2 teaspoons of Sichuan. And then I'm going to give that a little stir. And then we're going to get the rest of the greens in, so the leaves that I've just, really roughly chopped. So it's quite a big bunch. And I'll turn the heat back down to medium. So that's pretty fierce at the moment. And then really we just want to cook it so that the greens cook through. And really you just want them wilted down. So I'm going to put the lid back on and leave it for a few minutes. So I've had my greens in there for probably 3 or 4 minutes, not quite 5. And you can see they've wilted down. They're beautifully bright green, which is exactly what we want. And so I'm just going to stir that through. And then taste and season. You might want a bit more soy sauce, you might want a bit more Sichuan, it's up to you. And then I usually serve it in bowls with a big handful of roast peanuts or some roast cashews on top, just to give it a bit of crunch and substance. But any roast nuts are good. Or if you wanted, you could put some fresh herbs on. It's really up to you. And then our Sichuan pork is done. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thisstonesoup.com and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.